How to troubleshoot and resolve a leaking LG top-load washing machine. In this video, we'll give you 6 steps that can help you troubleshoot and resolve leaks without the need for a service call. Before troubleshooting, always unplug the washing machine from the electrical outlet. Look at the back of the washer and ensure that the hose connections to the water supply line and the back of the washer are tight and dry. If either or both are wet at the end of the connections, turn off the home valves, remove the inlet hoses, and check the rubber washers inside the connections. If the rubber washers are worn or damaged, find the same size replacement washers or replace the hose completely. You can find replacement hoses on the LG.com parts and accessories webpage. If the connections are dry and secure, carefully inspect the inlet hoses for damage. If there are visible cracks or punctures, the hoses need to be replaced. If they have been replaced but the leak persists, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. Ensure that the drain hose at the back of the washer is properly installed and without bends, kinks, or cracks. If there is any visible damage to the drain hose, it needs to be replaced. Straighten and clean out the hose if necessary. The home drain system should be checked as well to ensure that it is not overflowing. For leaks in the drum, check if the washing machine is level by looking at the drum from above. If the drum is tilted to either side, adjust the machine's leveling legs to even it out. The jet spray nozzle can cause water to splash from the drum if the water pressure is too high, which might result in puddles on the floor. In this case, contact a plumber to check and adjust the water pressure. Lastly, inspect nearby items around the washer, which may be the actual cause of the leak. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.